have I don't want to call it a haul, we'll call it an unboxing. I ordered some things from Stoney Clover Lane. Is that what it's called? Yes, Stoney Clover Lane, and I wanted to share them with you. I've seen these items on Instagram for a while. I did not pull the trigger. They are pricey, but I decided to treat myself. I have 3 Disney trips coming up in very short order, I guess we'll say, and I just wanted some new things. So let me show you what I got. Okay, if you have been here for a while, you know that Snow White is my favorite princess. And Stoney Clover Lane teamed up with Disney and has this collection, this princess collection. They have all different princesses, and this is called Fairest of them all. So I picked up the Fanny pack, and it is, so it kind of looked white in the picture, but when it came, it's definitely more of a cream color, which is fine. And then the pattern has Snow White on there, there's bows, there's a little deer, there's an apple. I see Doc and I think Happy, a little bird. I wish that there was more dwarves on there. And then there's like a little pie, there's a little like hair bow, like there's the hair bow, and then there's also the bow with the like the headband bow. The fanny pack has a nice long strap, which I like because I don't always like to wear them like as a fanny pack. I like to wear them like cross body, cross body like this. I think that especially on rides, it kind of just makes it easier if you're getting on and off of rides that have like a lap bar or something, just to have it right here. Plus it just feels really quick and easy to get in there. So it has a nice long strap, and then it's adjustable, and the hardware is all gold, which I like. And then the clasp is this metal gold buckle. You can kind of hear it. Makes it nice and easy. And then the fanny pack has a nice pull tab, which has like a crown on it. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that. And then on the other side it says SC Lane, and it has a nice smooth zipper. And then the fanny pack itself is not super big. It has a embroidered leather, it says Disney Stoney Clover Lane on it, but the fanny pack itself is not that big. So this is probably the smallest fanny pack that I own, but it'll do the job, and I really got it more because of what it looks like, because it's cute. And so then of course I had to get the matching scrunchie. It has the little bow on there. The scrunchie itself is tiny. It's not like a normal scrunchie. I feel like most scrunchies have more fabric, but it's cute to kind of wear like that. And then I can put my hair up during the day. I have worn the scrunchie. This came yesterday, and I did wear the scrunchie yesterday. And I have a lot of hair, and my hair's really long. I still have to wear like a hair tie and then just put this with it, because this wasn't tight enough to keep my hair up. I had it in a bun and it just didn't work. So I got the matching scrunchie. And then I got the small pouch in the same pattern, and I went ahead and had the bow embroidered or attached to it. I guess it's not embroidered. The bow is a patch that's embroidered, but they just, I think they just glue it on. So I got the small pouch, and is that what it's called? Let me look. Yeah, it is called the small pouch, and I kind of wish I got the bigger one. I looked at the dimensions and I was like, yeah, that'll be fine, but I'm not gonna be able to fit like all my toiletries in here, which is kind of what I was looking for. But this will fit like all my makeup, which is actually nice, because when I check my bag, I do like to carry my makeup in my carry-on, because it can get like thrown around, especially like palettes and stuff, and they can break. So this is probably better. I can just stick it right in my carry-on, but it again has that beautiful gold zipper with a nice smooth, I don't know if you can hear that, it's like butter. And then I haven't taken the stuffing out of it yet. Is it inside, and it is like canvas inside, so it's wipeable. And the outside, the fabric, it is a fabric, but it does feel like it's wipeable as well. So that's that. What did this, it had a little card. So the little card is just the cleaning instructions, which says, gently wipe with a damp cloth using cold water or mild detergent if necessary. Avoid all grease from cosmetics, perfumes, hand sanitizers, and other abrasive products, as it can create permanent stains, which kind of stinks because that's what I'm going to be using it for, but I'll just be careful. And then I do want to show you the packaging. I'm going to cover up my address. It came in this cute little bubbler with the darling little sticker there. I have seen people say that they got like stuck with it. And like I didn't get stickers or anything with it. This is just the receipt. And then it did come with this little pouch for the scrunchie, but that's it. So that is my Stoney Clover Lane unboxing, if you will. I did see that they are coming out with a new Disney collection on February 12th. I'm really excited to see that. There is a backpack that I want, so I'm kind of waiting to see the patches to see if I want to put some patches on the backpack. And do I really need a backpack? No, but I kind of want it. So that is my Stoney Clover unboxing. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Do you own Stoney Clover? I feel like it's a little cultish. Like once you own it, you keep purchasing more pieces, and I can definitely see why. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'd love for you to subscribe if you have not already. I post new videos every week. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!